Once you have built your mailing list, you should be able to join giveaway events. This is an exciting event where most online marketers will come together. It is like a year-end event where you clear your inventory by giving away discounts and special deals to the customers. Isn't this exciting? A group of mailing list owners will pool in their individual gift to be given away in the event. It usually consists of free products, membership passes, and a lot more. If you think it is just a usual event to get rid of old products, you couldn't have been more wrong. It is an event that mutually benefits both parties, where the subscribers get their free gifts and you get subscribers in return. Yes, you can increase your mailing list drastically from these events. However, you must have your own mailing list with at least 1,000 subscribers before you can participate in the event. This is where the online marketers in the same niche as you promote free offers to each other's subscribers. Therefore, you must have a list that is more or less the same as theirs. You might not be allowed to participate in the event if you have a low number of subscribers because you wouldn't be able to reciprocate with other marketers with a larger list size. Secondly, you need to prepare your own gifts that you'd like to contribute for the event. Every marketer must have at least one free gift. Lastly, you must have an autoresponder. The autoresponder functions to send the thank you email to your subscribers when they opt in on your landing page automatically. You wouldn't want to send hundreds or even thousands of email manually yourself, right? After you have signed up for an autoresponder, the next thing you need to have is a landing or sign-up page. This does not need to be complicated. Just a sign-up box for the readers to key in their first name and email address will do. This is an easy step that you can do with WordPress. There is a plugin to minimize your work of installing and preparing the form. It is very important you provide the subscribers with a support email address. At least there is someone to refer to if they encounter some problems with the free gift. Attend to your subscribers as soon as you can if you receive feedbacks or complaints from the subscribers. It shows your sincerity, as well as your willingness and commitment to improve your service. Once you are prepared to join a giveaway event, next you need to identify the right event. Quality is important when it comes to these events. An event with good quality leads you to quality subscribers, while leads from substandard events gives you problematic subscribers. Do some homework and researching on the quality of the event you are about to join beforehand. Make sure the partners are cooperative and credible, especially the organizer of the event. You can look them up with any search engine. Look at the products and activities they have been involved in, and evaluate the credibility based on the information. In addition, search the past giveaway events by the host, and look for the feedbacks about the event. This is to make sure you join a suitable and potential event that can definitely lead you to a pool of subscribers. The next thing you need to do is to look at the reputation of the current event. See if the event attracts credible marketers or not. All the research pays off at the end of the event, so it is worth doing all the research to make sure the quality is good. You will get the other marketers' subscribers to your list. Thus, it is very important to search for a giveaway event with the partners and host in the same niche as yours. If you're in the online marketing niche, you wouldn't want to look for a personal development niche giveaway event. Lastly, you need to make sure it is a limited time event. Do not join a long-term giveaway event. When you join a long-term giveaway event, you will be in the losing end as you would give away free gifts and get very little in return.
Hi, Abram Kutsia here, and a warm welcome to my channel. I value your precious time, and my wish for you is that you have found something of real value in this video that will help you to close more leads and to scale your business beyond your dreams. If you have found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. We will upload one module every week. I quickly want to introduce you to a brand new way to hack your social media profiles to generate unlimited free traffic for your business. It doesn't require any special skills, and it doesn't involve running complicated ads. In fact, what I'm about to show you is probably the easiest, fastest, and most beginner-friendly way to grow your business with social media today. And I'm willing to bet you didn't even know it existed. The hidden traffic on Facebook. Have you ever been scrolling around on Facebook when a post, like, or comment catches your eye, and then for whatever reason you decide to click to view that person's profile page? If you've done that before, you're not alone. I do this all the time. I'll see a post or comment or like that catches my eye, and I can't help but click to their profile page to see who that person is and what they're about. Let's be honest, we're all nosy on social media. Have you ever wondered how often this is happening to you? How many people are clicking to view your profile daily? Let's do an experiment where we treat your Facebook profile like a landing page. We'll add buttons, links, and call to actions to your products and services in all the right places, and watch the magic happen. It will shock you how quickly you get results. You'll immediately tap into a consistent stream of free leads for your business just by making a few simple tweaks to your Facebook profile. And if your profile isn't set up and optimized to capture those potential customers, you're missing out big time. In this blueprint, I'm going to show you how to completely transform your Facebook profile into a lead machine that brings you new customers 24/7. The link will be in the description below this video. I hope I will see you on the other side. Take care, take action, goodbye.